people know, this is one of my mobile jobs where I load up my truck, my trailer, bring all my equipment to on site to people's companies or businesses, and do a quick body repair. Some of them, 2 days. This was a 2-day thing here. Tomorrow, actually 2.5. I'll come in tomorrow and unwrap it, clean it up, put the lights back on, rewire it, and then I should be out of here. But just to give you an example of what I'm are for what I'm doing here at this time. Keep me in mind if you're interested in getting something done. You can reach me at 443-983-8905. Direct cell phone. Anywhere local, Dundalk, Essex, White Marsh area, Sparrows Point. Like I say, I want to keep it local, nowhere more than 25 miles in distance, and I'll come and see you. Thank you. My name is Tom.